Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me find maybe this one, Lynn. Let's tap on it and then tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. So here we can add either picture or calling card, or both, of course, it's completely up to you, but I will focus on the picture. Let me simply tap on it, and now we will be transferred to the sections actually from which we can choose the photo from. So here we can choose something from our own gallery. We can also open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos, we've got those which are backed up. Here the monogram, so we can use the first letter of name or surname. I mean, we can use maximum 2 letters to use this monogram. We can change the background color. We can also change the font, but also we can tap on emoji. We can tap on it, and here we can change the emoji type. You can find anything you wish to, completely up to you. I don't know, maybe this one. Alright, and you can use this emoji style option, or you can use the monochrome one, which will convert everything into icon. But as you can see, for some reason it doesn't work in my case for this emoji. But you have to trust me because it sometimes works. Maybe this one. Let's check. Okay, something's wrong with my device, but no worries. In your it should work perfectly fine. We've got also illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can find a nice photo and use it. Let me choose this giraffe, which is beautiful. Here we've got also the presets, so we can change the colors, and you can also crop the picture, so you can zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Here let's tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contacts will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.